Hello and welcome. You're listening to One India News and I'm Pooja Sachdeva. Today is a remarkable day. Golden Jubilee of Battle of Hajipur. Golden Jubilee of Indo-Pak War 1965. Hajipur is a strategic pass which served as a vital link between saboteurs operating in Poonch and their bases in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. And it was captured by the Indian Army on this day, 28th August at 10 a.m. Now let's take you to the flashback and talk about the history of this war. The 1965 war between India and Pakistan was the second conflict between the two countries over the status of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This war started following Pakistan's Operation Gibraltar, which was designed to infiltrate forces into Jammu and Kashmir to precipitate an insurgency against rule by India. India retaliated by launching a full-scale military attack on West Pakistan. The 17-day war caused thousands of casualties on both sides and also witnessed the largest tank battle since World War II. The hostilities between the two countries ended after a ceasefire was declared following diplomatic intervention by the Soviet Union and USA and the subsequent issuance of the Tashkent Declaration. Both India and Pakistan claimed victory. However, most neutral assessments agree that India had the upper hand over Pakistan when ceasefire was declared. In Pakistan, following this incident, Defence Day is celebrated on 6 September. India crossed the international border on the Western Front on 6 September, marking an official beginning of the war. This issue first arose in 1956, which ended with India regaining control over the disputed area. Pakistani patrols began patrolling in the territory controlled by India in January 1965, which was followed by the attacks by both countries on each other's posts on 8th April 1965. On 5th August 1965, between 26,000 and 33,000 Pakistani soldiers crossed the line of control dressed as Kashmiri locals headed for various areas within Kashmir. The war saw aircraft on the Indian Air Force and the Pakistan Air Force engaging in combat for the first time since independence. In its October 1965 issue, The Time magazine quoted a Western official assessing the consequences of the war. And it said, "Now it's apparent to everybody that India is going to emerge as a nation power. And that is exactly what is happening now." So on this day, the nation remembers and salutes the brave hearts who participated in this battle. That's all for now, but don't forget to subscribe us on One India News. So please click that button right away. Take care.